sana kinuha mo yung ano.
Today's commencement speaker.
Meron na picture. May picture yun dyan sa...
Hello.
Hello. Kamusta yun?
Bago ko ipakilala yung ating panahon ipagdaran. Gusto ko magpasalamat muna sa inyong lahat. Lalo galing na tayo sa malalayo. Lumayo pa ng bago, umulan din pala. Okay. Maraming salamat. Before that, I'd like to thank the management and staff of the Aston Education Systems, headed by its President, Althea Rhea Lacorte, for the success of the 2 days seminar entitled Duno. Congratulations to all of you. And also, I'd like to thank you. This is my time to ask to thank my people for the hard work, the love, and of course, sa lahat ng effort na ginagawa ninyo. So, sabi nga ni Mr. Javier kanina, the teacher Javier kanina, ang hirap magtiwala sa isang online.
Yes.
Di ba? Lahat kayo. Pero, nung nagkausap tayo during the orientation, lagi ko sinasabi, we are not here to deceive you. We are not here to distract you. And we are here to support you all the way. Sir, salamat sa motivation. Lalo namin pagpuputihin. Hindi lahat naman nakikita natin sa online, pwede tayo magugin. Naniniwala ako na lagi ko sinasabi, can you imagine this? You are graduates from your baccalaureate, from your different baccalaureate degrees, but you are now a lead passer. In 5 years program, balik mo sa lahat. Yung iba na ubus na ang buhok pag-aaral ng 4 na taon, bachelor ng secondary ng education, o ng elementarya, hindi rin yung mapasa. May kilala ako malaking institusyon, pero pipito lang ang pumasa. Okay? Mahirap sasabihin ipasa, pero ang key points mo kasi ng ating mga programs ay motivation skill. Okay, ho? Ang hirap mo kasi nanggaling ka sa Bachelor of Business Administration, then there you are, mag-aaral ng 3 hanggang 5 buwan, tapos magiging guro. Okay? So, ano ang difference? Ang difference po kasi ay yung desire natin. Sabi mo nga, sir, gusto ko kasing maging teacher. Alright? Lagi ko sinasabi, maybe this is not just a profession. This is a calling. This is a vocation. At ilalaban ko yan hanggang dulo. Naniniwala ko kasi ako, lagi ko sinasabi, na tayo mga guro, ang pwede rin magpabago ng mundo o ng nation na meron tayo. To the faculty of the Aston Education Systems, the advisors, program advisors, consultants, sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat ha. Salamat. Kung mapapansin ninyo, hindi na uso sa akin kung medyo may edad ng staff, teachers. Okay? Kasi nagiging traditional pa rin. So, tingnan natin yung learning dun sa mga bata at yun ang aking paniwala. Matuto tayo sa kanila. Anyway, gusto ko rin magpasalamat sa the Happy PTA Review Center sa tuloy-tuloy na pag-aaral. Motivation para rin sa mga upuhang to. Maraming salamat. Okay? Ang goal natin, nire-reach na talagang goal, hindi tayo bumaba ng 97%. Okay? Kasalanan mortal na po kasi sa akin kung bumaba ng 90%. May mga pasaway din naman kasi talaga eh. Kung hindi naman talaga handa. Kung na yung handa, technically, academically, yung puso na lang. Alright? Bigyan na nga ako sa school, lasing pa ng gabi. Ano papasan yung kinabukasan? Tapos nakalimutan mo pa yung mga requirements na kailangan. Doon ka pa bumili ng damit. Marami mga story tayong ganyan. Pero, naniniwala pa rin ako na proper preparations. Salamat Happy PTA Review Centers, the reviewers, and sa lahat ng consultant. Salamat po sa lahat ng sa team ninyo. Gusto ko rin magpasalamat salamat sa mga taong nandito ngayon. Sa grupo ni Alvin, ni Sheila, ni Marla, sa sila. Salamat. Maraming salamat, Sheila. Mamaya, matutunghayan natin yung live demos, yung launching ng portal at website ng Astra Innovation Systems. Ilalagay na po kasi natin lahat yan para hindi na mahirap. Anyway, okay na po tayo sa mga magulang at sa mga sampanin na ito. Maraming salamat sa pagpunta sa Baguio para sundan kami. Hindi man tayo nakikita sa malapit, pero sana nga hindi man lang po kayo namin personal during your yung mga klase ninyo, pero ito kami ngayon. Kung kailan kayo magpo-completion, saka ko kayo namin nakita. Salamat. Maraming salamat po. Anyway, kung hindi nyo ako makikita nakatayo dito mamaya, okay, pagpasensyahin nyo na. Inatakip ako ng food poison dito sa Baguio. Kaya 2 araw na ako nakahiga doon sa lugar ko. Baka hindi kayanan. Sobrang weak ng katawan ko. At the same time, nagaluhalo na. So, nandito po yung aking mga Kayo yung aking papalakpakan sa baba. So, kasama na po ng aking kaibigang guest speaker. Actually, transfer na po ng duty niya ngayon sa other parish sa Rosario, Batangas. Pero, pinilit kong bago po siya maging school director doon, pinilit kong muna akong makasama siya. Una, para ma-challenge, para malaman niya na kami nandito lang ngayon para sa kanya. At sa kanyang advocacy para sa eskwelahan. So, let me introduce our guest speaker this afternoon. He ordained priest on the 22nd of September 2007 in the Cathedral of Asti, Santa Maria Assunta, Italy. He served his 13 years as a missionary in Italy as vocation director, assistant parish priest, and parish priest in different parishes of northern Italian province of the Oblate of St. Joseph. In his return to the Philippines in 2013, he served as youth ministry director and then seminary formator and professor. As a priest, he gives himself in order to give life to others. He became a priest because he felt through his discernment a sense that God is calling him to have a particular part to play in the work to save souls for eternal life by faithfully committing himself to love. The thrill of his mission to serve and to love surpasses all hardships and difficulties. Constrained by the love of God, he took parish assignment as carrying the yoke with Christ. He served as the assistant parish priest of Sanctuary de San Jose, Green Hills, the provincial youth director of Oblate of St. Joseph, mentoring the Joseph Marello Youth, or JFY, Morelos and Marillettes, the campus ministry director of the Oblate of St. Joseph Schools. He served also as director, school director, and principal of the Oblate of St. Joseph Minor Seminary. He is also a professor of theology at St. Francis de Sales Theological Seminary. Recently, he finished his master's degree in theology and Pontifical Universitas Salesiana in Italy. At present, he is assigned in San Manuel Museo Parish, San Batangas. At the same time, school treasurer of the Joseph Marello Institute. But now, he's the school director of the Holy Santa Rosario Academy sa Alupay, Rosario, Batangas. So, from the congregation of the Oblate of St. Joseph, their computers, friends, the staff, the management of the Astra Innovation Systems and the PT Aguila Group of Companies, online, virtual completers, here, face-to-face completers here in Baguio, may I introduce to you the very Reverend Father Joseph V. Pasha, OSG.